हाउ अहेड यू कैन गो इन योर लाइफ। लेकिन यहाँ पर हम शामिल हुए हैं मेंटल अवेयरनेस के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए, मतलब आपकी जो मानसिक जागरूकता, आप कहाँ तक मानसिक रूप से स्वस्थ हैं। हाउ हेल्थी आर यू इन द मेंटल लेवल, योर मेंटल फिटनेस। ऑलवेज दे से नो, मानसिक जो हमारा स्तर होता है उसका और शारीरिक स्तर दोनों का जो है संतुलित भाव का होना बहुत जरूरी है। दैट शुड बी बैलेंस्ड एक्ट ऑफ द फिजिकल एंड द मेंटल। स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क होता है ना। तो इसी संदर्भ में फिटनेस का जो ये फिट इंडिया का जो प्रोग्राम है, कैंपेन अभियान जो है, इसके अंतर्गत मेंटल अवेयरनेस के बारे में बच्चों को जागरूकता बताने के लिए यहाँ पर हम खड़े हैं। तो इसी संदर्भ में हम सबसे पहले देखेंगे कि मानसिकता क्या है। व्हाट इज मेंटल अवेयरनेस, व्हाट इज मेंटल फिटनेस। मेंटल फिटनेस मतलब क्या है? Can anybody tell me? Mental fitness क्या है? Whom do we say yes, this person is mentally fit? I think we all are mentally fit. We all look mentally fit, है ना? तो mental fitness का मतलब ये होता है who is able to manage his day-to-day challenges effortlessly. काम पे कोई pressure नहीं है. It's just like that, adapting and then doing his task at ease. ठीक है, जहाँ पर effortlessly उसको वो अपना लेते हैं उस टास्क को और वो करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर दो चीज़ों का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। नंबर 1 is adaptability, नंबर 2 is resilience. Adaptability is चाहे जैसा भी हो। ये आज हम लोग बात इसीलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारे देश में या पूरे विश्व में संक्रमण का काल चल रहा है पिछले 1.5 साल से। Past 1.5 years we are facing the most, we did not even dream in our life that this kind of situation the whole world will come, and there is a big standstill, and the economic status of every country has come down. People lost their jobs, ups and downs are there everywhere. हर घर में एक या दो व्यक्ति या पूरे घर वालों को जो है कोरोना से जो है उनको जूझना पड़ा। So lots of difficulties we had to face. Children lost their parents, and anyone in every house there was a sorrow. We all were seeing the news. Every day's news was showing this. This was a world thing. But think of the children. You as children were completely cut off from the daily schedule. Your schedule is completely off track. You used to get up early, come to the school, get ready, have your breakfast, and then come to the school, have your routine, have your lunch, and then go back home or do your other activities. You used to play, you used to enjoy with your friends, you used to enjoy the ground. These were the social life which was really a big setback for you. Do you agree with me? Yes. So you went into a sedentary lifestyle, जहाँ पर आपको घर में बैठना है, and the parents were telling you not to use mobiles, don't take gadgets. I will be monitoring. All these things came to an end because they had to give you, and you were only on the mobile phones for your studies or maybe your games or whatever you were browsing through. You only know that. Not even your parents know what you were doing. So because of this, you were sitting like the couch potatoes. You had to sit in one place the whole day and do the activities which were as per your routine. So your whole of your biological clock had a setback. You were sleeping as you wish. You did not have a routine. You were eating as you wish, and your whole body was not under your control. So you wanted to be always in the comfort zone, and that really brought in a problem in the writing skills, reading skills, the memory, lots of problems now you will start facing. So these are the two things which I was talking to you about, is adaptability and resilience. Adaptability ये बात होती है जहाँ पर समस्याएं हैं, समस्याओं से जूझकर संघर्ष करके आगे बढ़ना है। That is the उम्मीद मन में होनी चाहिए कि हम करेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे और अपनी, जैसे कि आप लोग आने लगे स्कूल, you started setting right your routine now, you started coming to school, so that is some of you are resilience. Resilience मतलब क्या होता है? Immediately getting back to the routine. Yes, everybody falls. We should not wait for other person to lift us. We have to immediately get up and keep walking forward. That is resilience. You have to keep on doing the work given to you. Accept the task. Yes, I am going to do. Mental preparation इसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. The mind plays a very big vital role in this particular thing. ठीक है? So this is the mental awareness. Yes, I am going to do this. I have come for this and this is my task today. So this is the way I am going to go. यहाँ पे तीन चीजें बहुत important होती हैं. Three important factors or the frameworks work in your life. Number one is your family. Number two is the school, and number three is the community. Number one, as a family, you all are born in a particular family where you have got your taste preferences, your interest preferences, your belief systems. जहाँ पर आपका पालन पोषण हुआ है, उसके अनुसार you have your thoughts and your preferences. तो उसके अनुसार आप हैं, तो वहाँ पर your grandparents, your parents play a very big role in your mental fitness, where you have to spend a very good quality time with your grandparents and talk to them, show concern, and then parents also have to have a quality time with you people. They have to spend good time with you. That is just an expectation, but how you have to see yourself is the second part of it. Okay, this is the family. Next comes the school. School, आपको पता है, gives you ample opportunities. It's a platform to show yourself. Your personality, overall development happens at the school level. So here, you are again enhanced with lots of opportunities to come out of your shyness. You might be an introvert person, but the school gives you the ample opportunity to come out of it. So that your teachers play a big role there with you in grooming your personality. And the third comes the community. The community, next, once you are fully equipped with what all you have to have in your personality traits will take you straight away to your successful life in the community, where you will be serving the community and you will be earning also. There are two things in our life. One is for living, another one is what our mind says that we have to do. You might be in profession, you might be a doctor, but then you would like to do some other help in other profession. So belief system is different from your livelihood. तो ये एक बात होगी, और इसमें सबसे पहले ये है कि आपको एक मेंटल एटीट्यूड जो होता है वो पॉजिटिव रखना है. ऑलवेज हैव सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण, जिसको कहते हैं पॉजिटिव वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट लाइफ. So that is only called the optimistic approach. The other approach is what? Pessimistic. Yes, we have low self-esteem. We are not able to come out of our shyness. We feel that we are only going through this. Nobody in this world. Only I am in 7th standard. I am only not able to write. I am only not able to read. No. First, accept the situation. Yes, it's not you who is in 10th standard. It's not only you in 7th standard. There are many children in this whole world who are facing the same problem as you. But there are children of your age who are coping up and coming up. So that is the inspiration you have to take from the children. It's not that I cannot do, complaints, everybody will complain. Everybody is in the same situation. But how are we going to cope up? How are we going to come up in our life is the most important inspiration you are going to give for your forthcoming friends or your followers. Okay, this is very important. So happiness and gratitude are the other two things which you have to always have in your mind. You have to be happy. Be happy is telling is very easy. But how to be happy? You have to enjoy every moment of our life. It's not, our life is not tailor-made with bed of roses and enjoyment like how Buddha had his life. No, our life has all the ups and downs. Our life cannot be like how we think. It will be changing at any time. Anything can happen to us or our family members or our close ones. Whatever happens, how are we going to cope up with that situation and how we are going to attain our goal? That is the place where your mental fitness works. Yes, I am. ठीक है, मुझे इससे जूझना है. It's not that negative things are there. Be away from that. No. How much away we are from that, it will give you more and more fear. तो अनसर्टेनिटी ऑलवेज ब्रिंग्स इन फियर एंड एंजाइटी। तो फियर एंड एंजाइटी जो होता है ये भी आपको पेसिमिस्टिक थॉट में लेके जाता है। सो फियर, व्हेन डू वी हैव फियर? व्हेन वी डोंट नो द थिंग प्रॉपर्ली। Corona, when it came to India, we were not. First when it was in China, the month of December 2019, we were thinking something is happening in China. Somebody ate non-veg and then it came. But when it came to India and it came as a second wave, it hit everybody, even our own loved ones we had to lose. So that time we realized that yes, something serious. So that is the time we started looking into what is this coronavirus? How is it coming? What are its variants and how are we going to safeguard ourselves? The seriousness comes only when it is attacking us. तो ये बात जो है हमें हमेशा याद रखना है। When the fear comes, you have to think, why am I getting scared? ये डर मेरे अंदर क्यों आ गया है? इसका मतलब इस डर को दूर करने के लिए आपको क्या करना चाहिए? First, you have to get the facts from the credible sites, newspapers और आपके जो websites and get the authentic news. When somebody is in fear, they will really make you more and more, और डरपोक आपको बना देते हैं। इससे अच्छा आप ये बोलो कि no, what you are telling is wrong. Whatever comes in WhatsApp, everything is not true. This is the fact, so this is the way it is, and we have to safeguard ourselves like this. So knowing the proper news is very important. ये होता है ना, too much of hearing the news also is not good. Too much of exposure to the negative things is also not good. You get exposed and know what is the reality and keep going forward. So that is the way you can come up in life. Even in the house when we switch on the TV, morning 6 o'clock से रात को 12 बजे तक कोरोना के ही न्यूज़ आते थे. Last 1 year we were listening and sometimes we were fed up कि बस हो गया, बहुत हो गया. इससे कैसे बचना है? That was the lesson we have to learn. How to sanitize our hands, how to be, having social distancing, not to invite unwanted social get-togethers or gatherings. How to safeguard ourselves is very, very important. That is the thing we are learning from all these things. Every person gets problems in life, but in problem, what did we learn? अच्छे मेमोरीज हमेशा हमारे साथ हमें लेके चलना है। हमारे जिंदगी में जितनी भी बुरी घटनाएं घटी हुई, घटनाएं के बारे में जूझते जूझते कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला, लेकिन उस घटना से हमने क्या सीखा? The problems give us strength in our life. Yes, I learned a lesson from this problem. So that lesson only has to inspire you and has to take you forward in getting your destination. And other, there are many practical tips like how to engage your mind, how you can have your mental fitness. Is nothing but first thing is to safeguard yourself. अपने सेल्फ को जो है, स्वयं को आप कैसे जो है फिट रख सकते हो मेंटली? नंबर 1 is to relax yourself. So relaxing your mind, where there are various techniques through yoga, mindful meditation, going for a jogging, painting, learning music, doing instrumental music. So all these vocational skills give a good peace of mind to you. Many of you cooking, many of you, I know that in this pandemic must have learned lots of special skills, maybe cooking or cleaning the house, or you must have learned how to wash your clothes, or you must have learned to start a YouTube channel. Many of you who are there in that, can you raise your hands? Yes, very good. Good. Online music you must have started learning, online instrumental music, vocal, western, Carnatic, everything has come into the virtual mode now. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज होती हैं जो आपके मेंटल फिटनेस को बनाए रखती हैं। तो मेंटली व्हेन वी आर डाउन, व्हेन वी आर not doing anything, an empty mind is a devil's workshop. So when you don't do anything, all the negative things comes and fills your mind. So you should be that busy that you don't think of all those things. Yes, I'm learning this, I'm so happy. Whenever you do learning of something new skills, your mind will be very happy. So that is the happiness I'm talking about. Physical fitness, yes. फिटनेस के लिए हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं, घर के अंदर ऑन द स्पॉट जॉगिंग करो, ऑन द स्पॉट स्किपिंग करो, स्ट्रेचेस करो। बहुत सारे ऐसे आपके यूट्यूब में वीडियोस आते हैं जिसको देखकर आप, जैसे कि 15 किलोमीटर्स वॉकिंग का भी जो है आजकल जो है एरोबिक्स आ गए हैं, जुम्बा, ये सब बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जिसको आप कर सकते हैं, लेकिन करने के लिए मानसिक तैयारी का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो मेंटल फिटनेस मीन्स मेंटल अवेयरनेस. Awareness is nothing but, yes, this is what is going on and I am at this level, what am I going to do? ये अगर आप सोच लेंगे तो तभी से जो है आपका जो आलस्यपन है वो दूर हो जाता है. You become active. Yes, I am becoming active. Yes, today I learned this and this is a golden time for you to have your goal setting. What am I going to become? This much time nobody gave you during the school time, only the 50 days holidays, and after that you have to come back to the school. This 18 months of holidays, it's a very stretched long leave, which by now you should have decided this is the destination. ये मेरा लक्ष्य है, मैं ये बनना चाहता हूँ, मैं ये बनना चाहती हूँ, इसके लिए मैं क्या करूँ? What am I going to do for this? I am going to prepare for this exam, and for this exam I have to know all these things. So such kind of preparatory work must have happened by now. लेकिन नहीं हुआ, no problem. अभी से भी आप शुरू कर सकते हो, है ना? जो गया सो गया, उसके बारे में सोच के को कुछ नहीं करना है. अभी आने वाले दिन में रोज हम क्या करेंगे? जरूर अपने लिए आधा घंटा तो काफी है ना? तो आधे घंटे के लिए जो है एक होता है फिजिकली आपको जो है फिट करने के लिए, दूसरा होता है मेंटली फिट करने के लिए. फिजिकल फिटनेस के लिए जैसे हमने कहा बहुत सारे जॉगिंग करो, कोई भी जो है शारीरिक तनाव को दूर करने के लिए आप कर सकते हो. मानसिक तनाव को दूर करने के लिए तरीका क्या है? माइंडफुल मेडिटेशन. सिट and then relax and then take deep long breaths. You know, we do pranayama and all. It's very good for your mental fitness, which will make your mind very light, and you can do meditation. Focus का कमी है तो you can just concentrate on a single point on the wall and just relax your mind and just observe the breath and see that particular point, or else you can light a lamp and then sit before the lamp in the morning and the evening, which will concentration will increase to such activities. ठीक है? तो think positive is the first agenda. यहाँ पर आपको जो है हर बात पे जो है उसके अंदर की जो सकारात्मक चीज है उसको देखना है. Every act of ours has good and bad. See only the good things. So when you are seeing the good things, your mind is more happy, and face the bad things, and you will come through that. You have to come through that. अगर ये सोचेंगे नहीं इससे दूर नहीं, इसको सामना करो, उससे जो है गुजरो, आगे गुजरो, तभी आप आगे अपनी जिंदगी में बढ़ सकते हैं. और सबसे पहले ये है कि adequate sleep and rest also is very much essential for your mental growth. You should not sleep late nights and get up late in the morning. That's also very important. You have to sleep early and then get up early. That will also make your body very energetic. Early morning when you rise, your body will get full energy and you have good mental active. तो आपकी mentally अगर active है तो your memory will be very sharp. So go to bed early, and using your gadgets should stop at least 1 hour before going to the bed, so that your mental rest is happening there. Mentally you are at rest, then you go to the sleep. So after around, maybe you are sleeping around 10 o'clock, 10:30, around 9 or 9:30 you have to keep the gadgets away and then relax. You can read a book, and after that you can just meditate. Meditation is nothing but sit comfortably in your posture and just observe your breath. When you are observing your breath, there will be lots of thoughts coming and going, what will happen throughout the day will come, but don't try to stop that. Meditation is observing the thought, okay? You should never stop. If you stop, it means you're suppressing your thoughts. Allow it to come, it will go just like the clouds. It will pass like the clouds, and a time will come like how you are erasing a blackboard. Slowly all the thoughts from your mind will start erasing. A time comes when your blackboard, the mind is completely empty. Just lie down, you get good sleep, a deep sleep, and the next day morning you're very energetic for the next day's work. Okay, this is the way you can come up, children.